So this week's video is going to be kind of short, guys. That's for a good reason. So I got to get ready for the 100 Acre Woods this weekend, and I got to get a lot of things done. Got to get packed, got to get all my gear ready, but I did make you guys a promise. Alright, so for 200 subs, I did promise you guys one thing. I said that I was going to do a smoky burnout. I'm almost at, I think I have 261 now, so I got kind of close to 300. I'll do something else for 300. I just don't know yet. So leave some suggestions below, but for now, I owe you a smoky burnout and maybe a couple donuts. So thank you all for the subs. Thank you so much for all the support. From here on, it's to the moon. But I wouldn't be here without you guys. Thank you. So that's what I owed you. So we're gonna head back to the house now. Thank you, Zach.
Yeah. Make sure I didn't forget anything.
Yeehaw. Well, Zach, was that the most fun you've had all day?
That was quite a bit of fun, sir.
That was a great time. Next time when you do it with your car.
You know, I haven't even used launch control on my car yet.
We need to fix that. So that video I shot Sunday, and today's Monday, and I wanted to shoot a quick exit video because I didn't really wrap up that last video. As soon as we got done filming that little celebration video, we went and did another video because it was a beautiful day outside and we wanted to get a lot done. I didn't really properly wrap it, and I feel like this video needs a good wrap. My YouTube journey up to this point has been a big learning experience. I've learned so much. I learned a lot of stuff about myself throughout this process. I've only been doing videos for right at 2.5 months now. Every single day I check and see how my channel's doing. I check my analytics. I see what people are watching, what people are enjoying. I take that and I grow to the next video, and I put that toward the next video and toward my next idea, because 200 to me was a milestone in the fact that I bumped over 100, which always is the hardest part for a YouTube channel, is that first 100. The 200 comes quick, and so on and so forth, come a little quicker. But that first 100 is hard, and to me, the journey doesn't really begin until the first 200's out of the way, because that means that I'm progressing, and 200 meant a lot to me. And it may not mean a lot. It may not mean that, you know, it doesn't mean I've made it as a channel. It doesn't mean that, you know, I've reached everybody that I'd like to. It doesn't mean, you know, I can slow down now. It's quite the opposite. I'm going to keep taking off. My plan is to stream Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we'll see how the internet goes. We'll see how my laptop handles video editing. I have my doubts, but I'll at least have footage for those days. So thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who comments, everyone who likes, everyone who subscribed, everyone that's shared. We live streamed for like 4 hours this weekend, and that was a blast. Just sitting in BS and talking about cars and just messing around with the cameras. That was a lot of fun, and I'll do that again soon. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me that this channel is growing and that, you know, people are noticing and we're having a good time, and, you know, we're building a small community here, and it doesn't go unnoticed. Like, thank you. The work's going to keep coming from me. But until this weekend, guys, peace.